I love that we can get so excited about a simple little thing like hangers, okay? Yes, hangers are exciting, okay? Lots of my clients who've swapped over to what I love, the best hanger on the planet for me is the velvet hangers. These babies are game changers. Why? Look how sleek they are. Number one, they don't take up a lot of space in your closet. So if you are very pushed for space, they are great space savers. Number two, they also come with these little lips over here, some of them where you can actually hook 3 or 4 or 5 in a vertical row if you are very, very tight on space. Number three, they are velvet, so they're non-slip. It doesn't matter what you have over here. If you're a messy kind of person, hey, we're all different. And if your stuff falls off and it's on the floor where it shouldn't be, it's not going to fall off here. And number four, when you travel anywhere, it doesn't matter if it's local, international, there's 3 hangers, okay, in one. No hotel any freaking way on the planet ever has enough hangers. And so I always pack at least 9 or 10 of them. And so what I do in my wardrobe, see here I've got 3 different colors. So I typically will use my gray for every day, right? So my gray is like the regulars and the stuff that's hanging and the stuff that I use most in terms of smart casual. Then my black one, slightly more formal, so my suits, my dresses, my blazers, my sharper jackets and stuff like that. And then my hot pink, I'm going to use for what I call specials. I've got a cupboard at the end of my closet, and this is what goes on my hot pink one. So these babies make it easy for me to quickly spot something, and they are a game changer when it comes to just organizing your closet. So if you have a cluttered closet, which by the way means a cluttered mind, there is a closet cull that I can help you with that will help you to take back of your closet in less than 1 day. I even will tell you what to wear to that event, because if you do it properly, if you do a proper closet cull, you're going to sweat, okay? You're going to get sweaty Betty, because that means you've done a good job. You're going to take all of your stuff out and put it on your bed. Yes, you want to see just how much crap you have, but there are very specific steps that I can help you with. Book a call with me or jump into school.com. The link is below or above, and join the conversation. You have to get dressed anyway, so you may as well get good at it, right? What you wear impacts everything. Your mind, your mood, your mojo, your marriage, most especially your money. The science out there will show you, all the surveys will show you that women who dress better, who present themselves well, who communicate without saying a word, confidence and excellence and attention to detail, attract better and sooner opportunities. That is just how the world is. We live in a world that recruits and rewards confidence and excellence. And it starts with velvet hangers.